Yes, I just chased the subject around your house, and I was making sure he wouldn't have came in here. Do you guys have any kids?
No, we don't have any kids.
Is there any younger adults that stay here?
It's just me and my husband. We both work during the day.
Okay.
Do I need to come home?
Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate it. No, you're fine.
All right.
Well, if you could check, see if your camera picked up any motion. We're looking for a subject in a red T-shirt.
A red T-shirt? Okay, give me a second.
Yep.
He's in my trash can. He's in my dumpster in my backyard. He's in my trash can by my garage. Because the cops are at my front door. There's a...
Hey! Open that lid! Now, I know you're in the lid. Get out! Fuck out. You kidding me? Put your hands down. Come on! Keep going. Where is that?